guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today is Saturday and you know what is happening on Saturdays on my channel. I post reviews. I am excited to review this balloon garland kit that I received from a company that I've never worked with before. I'm excited to dive into all the descriptions and just see what the quality of balloons will be like, what this kit will include in itself, so on and so on. And before I let you go, I really want to share these two necklaces with you guys. I bought them on Amazon. I am planning to buy more from this company because these necklaces are gorgeous. They are amazing quality. They are lightweight. It's a beautiful gold color. It's not your like yellow weird looking color gold. And am I imagining here or what? But these two necklaces, they never tangled on me. I've been wearing these necklaces 2 days straight, never entangled them even once. So I am very impressed. I might imagine something, but I'm telling you the truth. Anyways, everything I will be using in today's video, I will link and list in the description under the video. I will link these there as well. So without any further ado, let's go. So this is the package that I received from the company. Company name is Inceptus Core. I hope I pronounced that right. If anything else, you can look it up yourself in the listing. So let's see what the listing includes in itself. So this is how this balloon garland will look like on Amazon. I took a screenshot. It's a little bit easier for me to navigate this way than just scrolling up and down. So this kit will include 130 balloons, gold, silver, and white in different sizes, I assume. Why am I saying assume? Because when I scrolled all the way down to the description, I didn't find the breakdown of all the balloons, the sizes. So I am just looking at this picture and literally guessing what we are working with. So looks like we will have a 12, 10, and 18 or 24-inch balloon. I'm not sure. This kit cost $18.99 right now, and by clicking this little square, it's a coupon, you can save 25%. So let's go unpack this package and construct this balloon garland. Quickly go through all of this pile and see what we have here. Clearly we can see that we have a whole bunch of balloons in white, silver, and gold colors. Then we have some clear balloons and clear with gold confettis in it. We have a balloon strip, balloon tying tool, ribbon, glue dots, and some hooks to hang your balloon garland. I am using my electric balloon pump to blow all of my balloons. I am working with balloon strip. That means I will be blowing my balloons individually and I am tying them individually as well. So I'm taking one balloon, blowing it up. As soon as I'm done blowing my balloon, I am pressing against the floor to give my balloon more rounded shape, and then using my tying tool, tying a knot. That's all. Looks like this is like a 10-inch balloon. Keep on inflating, keep on tying. Show you what I do with my confetti balloons and how I deal with confettis and how I static them. So blow up your balloon. Really like the quality of these clear balloons, even though they are a little bit dusty, but they are nice and soft and pretty clear. So I am pressing my balloon against the floor to give my balloon more rounded shape and tying this balloon by using balloon tying tool. Now to static all of my confettis right here, I used to use a small towel or a piece of paper towel, and I noticed that those two things would leave these white scratches on my balloon, and I didn't like that because they were not as visible, but they were visible, if you know what I mean. So I figured that using my hands is the best solution for staticking my confettis. So just rub on your balloon all over, give it a shake, rub some more, and here you have perfectly perfect confetti balloons. So keep on blowing, keep on rubbing. We're almost there.
Mom, what did you do?
Oh no! This is the worst. Confettis are so annoying to clean up.
What happened to me exactly the same time it happened to you?
What happened?
I broke the dish.
Oh, what dish? Oh, what? To construct my balloon garland, as you can see, this strip over here has two holes, bigger hole, little opening, and a smaller hole. So I'm taking my balloon, inserting it through a bigger hole. Make sure my knot is completely through, and sliding my balloon through the opening into smaller hole. Let it go and it will hold your balloon. I will be inserting my balloons on one side. I won't be alternating sides. In my opinion, I don't see a difference if you use one side or alternate. Once in a while, you will probably need to skip holes. If you see your balloons are getting cramped together and balloons are starting to pop out of your strip, skip a hole. I am inserting white, silver, and confetti balloons into my strip. I will be building my base, and now I'm leaving smaller size balloons, 5-inch balloons, and solid gold balloons aside, and I will be filling in spaces with them later on. Is on my backdrop. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands in the description under the video. In that video, I show how I hang all of my garlands using fabric and safety pins, and how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks. Go check that video out. I do answer a lot more questions about garlands and balloons. Hopefully it will be helpful. Now, quick overview on this balloon garland. I really love the colors that they used in this kit. I love all the gold, silvers, and whites. Very, very beautiful. I lost 6 balloons so far. While I was blowing, they just burst on me, and I don't know what happened there. Quality of these balloons, they're pretty decent. I will take all of the remaining balloons that I have here laying on the floor. I have quite a few, and I will try to fill in and build up my balloon garland even more. I will be using more than one glued up per balloon because I want my balloons to stay on my garland for a long time. I wish companies would include 2 rolls of glue dots in their kits, because for me personally, I like to use more glue dots to be sure that my balloons would stay on my garland and not think if I will have enough glue dots or not. Just my preference. Maybe, I don't know, companies will pick up this idea and include more glue dots. I don't know, just a hint over here. So let's grab our glue dots and start filling in spaces. I'm excited to see what this whole thing will look like when I'll finish with it. I am out of glue dots, and I still have a lot of 5-inch balloons on the floor, so I'm taking my own glue dots and finishing up the whole thing with my own glue dots. You guys, you might have enough glue dots in this kit for your garland. It will all depend how many balloons you will insert into your balloon strip. The more balloons you will insert in your balloon strip, the less glue dots you would need to fill in spaces. I left a lot of balloons out of the strip, so I need more glue dots. For most of my balloons, I ended up using 3 glue dots per balloon, and here's an example. For example, this balloon over here, I used 3 glue dots because this balloon touched this balloon over here, and this confetti balloon. So I had to secure my balloon in 3 spots. So let's go grab my own glue dots and finish this thing up. Here's what I have for you guys today. This is my final balloon garland setup. I really like the whole thing. I like the whole concept of silver, gold, and white. 130 balloons will definitely give you a very full and very pretty balloon garland. Decent balloon quality. As I said, I lost 6 balloons. So 1 balloon was just clear. This is an 11 or 12-inch balloon without confettis. I don't know how it got there, maybe by accident. And I wish I had a little bit more glue dots to finish the whole thing. This kit will be linked in the description under the video. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to be there and help you out to the best of my abilities. So if you're new here, you guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and great ideas. And one more thing I want to point out before I let you go. I noticed this thing, this bigger balloon, these confettis. Do you see the difference with this confetti balloon? These confettis are a little bit more on the yellow side, closer to this color. And these are more like a coppery looking confettis, if you know what I mean. Just a little difference. It's not as noticeable, like crazy, like different color, but that's what I noticed in this balloon. So not a big deal, but I wish everything would be in one color. Anyways, I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye. You often ask me what I do with my balloon garland, so here is what I did with this one. I took it outside to my neighbor's yard sale to hang on their tent. They were selling slime and lemonade, and all proceeds they will donate to local hospital. How cool is that?